Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. Friends, if you are new to my channel and still have not subscribed yet, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video recipes, you get that video notifications. It was my daughter's birthday and my little daughter requested me to make a frozen theme cake on her birthday. She's a big fan of Princess Elsa. So on her request, I tried to make this frozen theme Elsa cake, though I'm not an icing expert, but just tried my hands on my daughter's request. So for this, let's prepare the chocolate batter. I have taken half cup melted butter, half cup condensed milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, half cup lukewarm milk. Now give it a good mix with a hand whisker. And now see 1½ cup all-purpose flour, that is maida, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder, ½ cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda. Now sieve it nicely. And now give a good mix with the wet ingredients. Now add another ½ cup milk slowly to make a smooth batter. Give a good mix. The batter consistency should be like neither too thick nor too thin. I will bake this cake in frying pan in 3 layers. So I will divide this batter in 3 equal parts. So for this I have taken 3 bowls and now I will equally divide the chocolate cake batter in 3 equal portions. Switch on the gas and immediately put it in the low flame. And now I have taken a 10-inch round shaped frying pan. Now grease some oil in the frying pan and pour 1 bowl of batter. Now cover it with a lid for 6 to 7 minutes and allow it to bake in very low flame. After 6 to 7 minutes, open the lid and check it with a toothpick. And it's done now. Now keep it aside and now let's do the second layer of cake. Just clean the frying pan with a kitchen cloth and same way grease some oil and pour another bowl of chocolate batter. Cover it and allow it to bake for 6 to 7 minutes in very low flame. One thing you should keep in your mind when you're making cake in frying pan, you don't need to preheat the frying pan and you need to bake the cake in very low flame. So like this, we'll prepare the third layer also. So grease some oil and now pour the third layer batter. Spread the batter and now cover the lid and allow it to bake for 6 to 7 minutes. And now it's done. So all my 3 layers are done now. And now I will prepare the chocolate frosting. So I have taken 1 cup heavy whipping cream. I am using rich star whipped cream. You don't need to add any extra sugar in this. I prefer to use this cream as this quality is too good. So with the help of an electric beater on medium speed, I whipped this 1 cup heavy cream. And now we'll add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder to make the chocolate frosting. I'm not adding any sugar because the whipping cream already contains the sugar. And my chocolate frosting is ready now. And now I will prepare the sugar syrup. To make this, I have taken 3 tablespoons powdered sugar and 5 tablespoons water and few drops of vanilla essence. Now mix it properly. Now the sugar syrup helps to keep the cake very moist. Now I have taken a piping bag and now I will pour some chocolate frosting inside it. And now on the cake board, apply some chocolate frosting and put the first layer of chocolate cake. Brush the cake surface with the sugar syrup. Give plenty amount of sugar syrup on the cake. It helps the cake to remain moist and soft. Now make a cut on the piping bag and apply the chocolate frosting on top of first layer of cake. Now with the help of spatula, spread the chocolate frosting on top of the first layer of the cake. And now put the second layer. And now in the same way add plenty amount of sugar syrup. First add sugar syrup and then put the chocolate frosting. And now add the third layer. Now again add enough amount of sugar syrup. And then chocolate frosting on top of that. Now make sure you cover all the sides and edges. Now the crumb coat is done. Now keep this in fridge for 3 to 4 hours to set. And now to icing the cake, I have taken 1 cup whipping cream. And now we'll start whipping the cream in medium speed. And now for the frozen theme, I'm using sky blue gel color. So I'm using just 3 to 4 drops of gel color. And you can see the final color of this. And now we'll cover the cake with this. As I will decorate this, so I'm covering with the same color. As I will make the decorations now, so I'm just covering the crumb coat. I know my icing skills are not perfect, so please experts don't laugh at my icing skills. This is just on my daughter's request. Now cover the cake fully with this. And now the important part, I have taken this edible printout of frozen Elsa. This is an edible sheet. Nowadays in any medium to big baking ingredient shops, they keep this type of printer and you have to get the printouts from there. This edible printouts come in A4 sheet and there is a sticker behind the picture. You just need to peel that sticker part and stick it to the cake. Just you need to softly press it. The Elsa picture size I took is 8 inch. My frying pan size was 10 inch. So after it comes in A4 sheet, you just need to cut this 8 inch picture portion with a scissor and very carefully you need to stick it. It's actually very simple. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the below comment section. And now I have taken a piping bag and a big star nozzle. Now insert the nozzle inside the piping bag and just give a cut so that the front portion of nozzle can come forward. Yeah, like this. Only the front portion. And now pour the whipped cream inside the piping bag. And now pull it down. And now make some swirls on the cake sides. Also cover the sides with some swirls again, or you can do any random design of your choice. Now I have this frozen theme, some star sprinkles, so I will give the sprinkles on top. I got this from the baking ingredient shop only. And here comes my birthday girl.
Hello everyone, I hope you liked today's video. Please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.